Hey guys, welcome back. So in our previous Mi Pad 5 video, we gave you all the leaks related to the tablets, but now that Xiaomi has officially unveiled all of their high-end tablets in their home country, we have a clear idea about how this trio of high-end Android tablets are and what they offer. So without waiting anymore, let's jump straight into our video. So for the most part, the leaks were to the point, but some things didn't turn out as we expected, like the display. No matter if it's Pro or non-Pro, you get an LCD panel and no OLED. Now for some people this might not be a big deal, but for some it's a deal breaker. Also, all the models share similar display specs, giving you similar visual experience across the board. They come with 11-inch LCD, 120Hz panel with 2560 by 1600 pixels. It's a true tone display with a maximum brightness of 500 nits and gets Dolby Vision and HDR10 support. For performance, the Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 chipset, while the 5 Pro and Pro 5G bumps that up to Snapdragon 870. And while both the chips don't perform as good as Snapdragon 888 or 888 Plus, these are the next best option. Obviously, these are flagship grade processors, so you won't notice any lag or performance issues in your daily usage. The Mi Pad 5 series is available in several memory options, including a 6 plus 128GB version and 6 plus 256GB version for the Mi Pad 5 and Mi Pad 5 Pro. The Mi Pad 5 Pro 5G is available in a sole 8 plus 256GB storage version, and all of these are LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Another major difference you will notice in all the tablets are the cameras. The selfie camera is the same and that's 8 megapixel, but things change for rear setup. Mi Pad 5 gets a single 13 megapixel unit, while the 5 Pro gets dual cameras with 13 plus 5 megapixel setup. And finally the 5 Pro 5G gets 50 plus 5 megapixel setup. Tablets are mostly never used for photography purpose, but this might change it. As for battery, this is one department where the standard model of the tablet is actually better, though not by much. The Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 has a 8720 mAh pack, while the Pro drops that down to 8600 mAh. But the charging speed for Pad 5 is just 33 watt and for Pro it's 67 watt. Next, coming to the operating system, Xiaomi will offer its new MIUI for Pad operating system, giving you the flexibility you need while operating your tablet. It brings custom input method, split screen, small windows, parallel windows and other functionality, giving you a more convenient user experience. Xiaomi has also unveiled a bunch of accessories for the Mi Pad 5 lineup, which are sold separately, you won't get them in the box. First is the Xiaomi inspired stylus, which offers 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, a 240Hz touch sampling rate and a flexible TPE pen tip. There are also two buttons that can be mapped to perform different tasks such as taking screenshots. There's also a keyboard folio which comes with a double-sided protective shell and has 63 large keys with 1.2mm key travel. And finally, coming to the price. In China, the Pad 5 costs 2000 yuan for the base variant, that's $308. For more storage, you have to pay $46 more. For 5 Pro, it's 2500 yuan for the base variant, that's around $385. And again, for more storage, you have to pay $47 more. The 5 Pro 5G has only one option, that is 8 plus 256GB, which costs 3500 yuan, that's around $540. Stylus is $54 and keyboard is $62. So that's all for this video. What do you think about Mi Pad 5 series? Would you be interested to buy one if launched globally? Do let us know via comments. And thank you for watching. Peace out.